just rode the Vortex.
It was so much fun.
And I think we're about to see one depart. There we are. And so it's been like I think almost 20 years since I've been here.
Same.
This one is a lot faster than I remember. And I had a lot less room in the ride. You don't go upside down, but we probably could have because I was wedged in and wasn't going anywhere. So, but yeah, no, it's fun. It's you do go fast. There's quite a lot of twists and turns. You go sideways, but you know, remember to keep your head back.
So you're not like this.
Yeah. But yeah, this ride is pretty fast. I don't know what the thrill meter was on it on the app, but
I don't know. It's fine. That's a safety
but
bed.
I would consider it a pretty good thrill ride.
It was.
And
It is.
So you go 80 kilometers an hour, and it is an aggressive thrill ride. It must be 48 inches or 4 feet in order to ride the ride. And let's go get ice cream.